All right, what's up, guys? I am back after a week off. Last week we had a big commercial refrigeration job. We had to take down a big freezer, take it down, put it back up, panel by panel, and then reseal it, move the evaporators, move the condensing units outside, run the line sets. Whole big deal. Here's some clips from that. In my bag.
Mine's right here.
Tinder's hammer. Oh. Hey, shut up. And then today we got a quick carrier, what was it? A carrier, yeah, it was a carrier. So carrier furnace with a carrier humidifier, boom, boom. It turned out looking good, works good. I'd actually already done a furnace at this place in the guy's garage. So now I've got one in his garage and I've got one in the house. Real nice family. Anyways, stay tuned, check it out. And if you're not subscribed, hit the frickin' button. Fricker. Seriously, dude, God. Like the What the hell am I looking at right here?
Yes.
What? And then it gets skinny. It goes up in a wall stack. That is so funny. I mean, I'm sure it works okay, but minutes later.
She's out.
This light is too cool. Is it worth $200? I don't know, but it's still too cool. And we're back.
Game time.
Yeah.
That ain't happening.
Plan B. Turned out pretty nice. right, that does it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you're literally liking it with your finger on the button. And if you didn't like it, make sure you hit the like button anyways, out of spite. All right, guys, subscribe. Peace.